Hello, it's good to be back with you. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about writing M files. What the heck is an M file? Well, up till now, in working with MATLAB, we've been mostly typing stuff into the command window at that little cursor that's there. And that sure works fine, but it gets kind of tiresome. A better approach would be, what if we could have a text file where we just put those commands in the text file, and rather than have to type them all out again and again, we could just have MATLAB execute all the commands that were in that file. Well, that's called an M file. And writing M files is really a form of programming. Now, M files can get very complicated, just as any program can, but to start, it's really pretty straightforward. So what I'd like to do over the course of this and the following lessons is let's start small. Let's write some simple M files, and as time goes by, we'll add more and more features to them, making them more and more sophisticated. So if we're going to do this, let's start by plotting a function, which we know how to do, and finding its root, which we also know how to do by now. Well, I need a function. Well, this is the craziest one I've made up in a long time, and I put absolute values and fractional exponents and things in here just to make sure there was absolutely no way of solving this by hand. This would be, I think, impossible to solve analytically. It's numerical or nothing. Now, this doesn't mean anything as far as I know. This has no physical significance, but that's okay. It's a good learning tool. So with that in mind, let's take this function and let's go to MATLAB on my computer right over there, and let's write an M file. We'll plot this and we'll find its roots. And we'll also find out how to send parameters into the M file to change how it runs.